गुफ्तगू करें।
Done, and the tag team that we were able to build together, I'm very grateful for that. So thank you very much. My friend Sidra was giving the introduction, and she said, what have we been waiting for? 70 years. 70 years, and really, what have we been waiting for? We have a very simple dream. Our Prime Minister has a very simple dream. That dream is about prosperity, it's about growth, it's about development, and most importantly, it's about equity. Equity for regions which have been left behind in the race for development. So equity is the centerpiece of our dream. Prosperity, growth, happiness, and equity. Some sensible justice, particularly for the poorest people of Pakistan, is the dream that our Prime Minister handed over to us. How would this dream translate forward? We need to have employment. We're a poor country, and we need massive employment, and we need middle-skilled or low-skilled employment so that people can take care of their families, people can invest in their children's well-being, people can service their parents. And that's what this is all about. It's not about minerals. Minerals is just one of the tools that we're going to deploy to achieve this vision. Next slide, please. So in order for us to move towards this vision, what is it that we have? Ladies and gentlemen, we have about $6 trillion worth of estimated reserves of mineral and coal and other precious metals, rare earth metals, gold, copper, lithium. not billion dollars. And I've been challenged on this, and I stand by it, that our estimated reserves, estimated of course, because we have to do exploration, we have to move forward, and we'd give you a pathway of how we're going to get there, but it's worth $6 trillion. We believe, our very dear friend believes, that one of the greatest revolutions, economic revolutions, has been led by the United States of America through innovation, through creativity, through ingenuity. And the icons of that ingenuity and creativity are Apple and Google and Amazon and a bunch of other great companies of this century. The collective value of Apple, each one of you is carrying one of their little gadgetry somewhere. It's a watch, it's a phone, it's something. And not just you, people world over. The collective net value of Google and Apple and Amazon is $6 trillion. And our dust buried in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Azad Jammu Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan and Punjab and Sindh is $6 trillion. That's the kind of wealth that we've been sitting on for 70 long years. Next slide, please. If this is what we have, where exactly do we want to go? Where do we want to take it? What is our aspiration? So what we want to do is move from about $1 billion in exports to over $5 billion in exports in the next few years. What we want to do is create employment from 300,000 total employment in Pakistan across all kinds of minerals, mining, move from 300, double it from 300,000 to 500,000, 600,000, and as we unleash it, it would go to millions, because mining is what? Mining is nothing but employment. You put your little kind of shovel in the earth and you start to mine out. It's labor intensive. And that's exactly what we need. Something that's labor intensive. Something that gives employment to our people. And we not only want to just mine it out, we just don't want dust. We want to move from dust to development. So we are going to do value-added activities, and we are going to move from 1% of the GDP in a very short period of time to 3% of the GDP, and inshallah moving forward much, much more. If I move this needle just from 3% to 5%, all of these numbers change. If GDP, if the value addition increases from 1% to 3% to 5%, all of these numbers of employment and so on and so forth double. And that's the prosperity that we are seeking. That is the direction in which we are going. And that is what Pakistan should be and must be and is going to be about. Next slide, please. So then the question arises, what stands in our way? And what stands in our way are very simple things. First of all, we have dearth of
इस्लामाबाद
data.
में पाकिस्तान मिनरल समिट डस्ट टू डेवलपमेंट का इफ्तिताही सेशन वजीर मुमलिकत बराए तवानाई मुसद्दिक मलिक तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि समिट का मकसद बराह रास्त सरमायाकारी को बढ़ाना है।
लाहौर जनरल अस्पताल